Hello and welcome to Sturgis. Today we're going to take a look around this wonderful Vauxhall Mokka in a rather lovely electric blue. It has just been and had an MOT, so it is all ready to go. And we'll just take a little walk around it, and I'll try not to slip over on the icy floor, and then we will jump inside it and get nice and warm and have a look at the interior. It's got the fantastic Vauxhall visor, they call it, on the front there. The arrangement there, and you'd find stone chips and all that sort of stuff on there, but it has got away scot-free. A very, very lovely car for a 22 plate, 3 years old, with some very nice diamond cut black and silver wheels and a massive fuel filler cap, absolutely huge. And then let's jump inside it. Where's the boot release? There it is, and have a look at the boot. Drop that back down. And then we'll have a look at the interior. A couple of USB ports there as well. And a very clean car inside. To the front there. And we'll jump inside and get warm. 2 keys, electric windows there, all the volume controls, voice activation, phone, and a heated steering wheel just there, fantastic. And then cruise control, adaptive cruise control no less, setting the distance between the two there, and speedometer. It's a limited speed button based on what the speed actually is. So 60 miles an hour appears up there, and it won't let you go above 60 miles an hour. And then we've got heated seats both sides, and definitely turn that down a little bit, it's a little bit warm in here. And then we've got a rather funky looking, let me zoom in a bit, there we are, a rather funky gear stick here, swapping between front, rear and park, and then manual on there as well. Different drive mode selection between sport, normal and eco. And we've got lane departure with active steering there, and then we've got lane departure off, and then we've got internal alarm off if you're going to leave the dog in the car, parking sensors off, and the child lock. And then we've got another USB port down there, and then we've got navigation on here. There we are. So if I zoom out a little bit there, you can see where we are in Anstey, just to the left of Leicester, which is over here. And then we've got phone connectivity ready to connect on there, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, various vehicle settings there, vehicle check, all looks okay there. And then we've got DAB, AM and FM on there too, with all of your lists and your sources on there. And then let's just put that into reverse so you can take a look at a man's legs. And there we are, there's the rear camera there as he shuts the door. And then obviously this bit gets filled in as you reverse, so you're able to see a 360 view from the top of the car. Put that back into park, and then we'll have a quick look around the inside of the car. There's the rear seats for you. And then we'll hop back out and have another look at the outside. So thank you very much for watching this walk around. Feel free to hop onto our website, the link is in the description of our YouTube channel, and you'll be able to find the Vauxhall Mokka on there and read more about it and have a look at some more images. But it's good to have a proper walk around the car and hear it ticking over so you know all is well. So thank you very much for watching this video, and hopefully we'll see you soon.